A warm welcome to everyone watching this video. The title of our project is Stock Market Prediction Using Machine Learning under the guidance of Dr. Ranjan Bala Jain ma'am. The problem definition. We all know that financial investors of today are facing the issue of picking up the right stocks for gaining maximum profit. Not only the financial investors but also an individual person faces the same issue. So me and my team came up with a solution which demands the use of tools and technologies related to the field of data mining, machine learning, and data prediction. Our proposed system is a web interface with a chatbot which shows the predicted closing price of stocks with the help of technical analysis tools. The block diagram. The first step of the block diagram is the data collection. We collected the data from Yahoo Finance. Data preparation. We did some pre-processing on the data. Then we split the data into testing data and training data. As we have 4 models, so we got the accuracy of all the models. We selected the appropriate algorithm and then implemented the chatbot and web interface. Methodology. So we took into account 4 machine learning models, that is, random forest model, linear regression model, natural language processing model, and long short-term memory model. After trying out different machine learning models, LSTM was chosen to build the final model. So for choosing the model, we took into account the mean absolute error, mean squared error, and root mean squared error. So first we divided the data set into parts, that is training and testing, keeping 70% of the data as training data and rest of the 30% as testing data. We did some pre-processing on the data set, like standardizing it. After we fitted the data onto the model of LSTM with epochs as 10, batch size as 32, and Adam optimizer for training the data. Using predicting function, we predicted the closing value for the test data. Using the same model, we have predicted the closing price for the next 30 days. Results. The results of the backend processing, the web application and the chatbot has been displayed. So, this is the web interface. On the left hand side, we have the option of stock ticker. That is a drop-down menu from which you can choose the Indian company. On the right hand side, we have the stock market trend. That is the logo of the company and a short description of the company. Scrolling down the page, we get 4 different graphs. That is closing price graph versus the trading day with the moving average 100, then moving average 100 and 200. Then the third graph, that is the prediction graph having the training data and our predictions, and the fourth graph, that is closing price value for the next 30 days. Chatbot. So the chatbot looks like this. Here you have 2 options, Enquire and Broker. You can choose whatever option to get help, and accordingly you will be guided. Conclusion. We have successfully implemented machine learning algorithms on the dataset for predicting the stock market price. We applied data pre-processing and feature selection on dataset. We applied 4 different algorithms, linear regression, LSTM, random forest, and NLP on the dataset. We analyzed the difference of the algorithms by calculating the performance matrix and mean absolute error, mean squared error, and root mean squared error. We also found the advantages and disadvantages of the algorithms. We developed a web application which predicted the closed value of particular stock using LSTM algorithms. We applied datasets belonging to Indian companies and achieved accuracy above 92%. Thank you so much.